Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion as best body lotion for radiant skin. Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion's Vitamin C promotes even complexion and has anti-aging benefits. Honey soothes, hydrates, and reduces dullness. Daily use of the body lotion restores the skin's suppleness. This best body lotion for radiant skin is made with natural ingredients. The unique body lotion prevents photodamage thanks to vitamin C. Natural ingredients like honey, shea butter, and olive oil are excellent for skin healing and balancing the skin's pH. It has non-greasy formula. Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion is light, absorbs quickly into the skin, and gets to work immediately, giving the skin the hydration it craves. Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion is enriched with the goodness of pure vitamin C and honey. This is best body lotion for radiant skin. Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion comes with honey, olive oil, shea butter, and vitamin C honey. With its excellent moisturizing properties, honey locks in moisture in the skin and prevents it from drying out. A natural humectant, honey also has plenty of antiseptic properties that soothe, repair, and prevent sun damage. Olive oil. An excellent moisturizing agent, olive oil isn't new to the skincare industry, even Cleopatra was a fan. Loaded with the goodness of vitamin E, it protects and nourishes the skin. Shea butter. The high concentration of fatty acids and vitamins make shea butter an ideal ingredient for softening skin. It also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. It works wonders on dry and dehydrated skin and promotes a soft, smooth, and healthy appearance. Vitamin C. A powerhouse of potent antioxidants, vitamin C neutralizes oxidative damage caused by the sun and pollution. It also promotes collagen production, resulting in skin that exudes a natural and youthful glow. This body lotion is dermatologically tested and is suitable for all skin types. Take care your skin with Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion. This is best body lotion. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share this video and subscribe our channel, Best Product Zone. See you in the next video with a new product.